Want to turn your old PC into a smooth Android-powered machine that runs mobile apps and even mobile games flawlessly? Well, today, I'll show you how to install PrimeOS step by step on your computer, turning it into a fast Android gaming and productivity system. So let's get to it. PrimeOS is an Android-based operating system designed for desktop and laptop PCs. It gives you the power of Android with a PC-like interface, taskbar, windowed apps, keyboard and mouse support, and even dedicated gaming features. Imagine combining the freedom of Android with the power and flexibility of a lightweight Windows desktop computer. That's exactly what PrimeOS is trying to deliver. Whether you're into mobile gaming, productivity, or just want to breathe new life into an older PC, PrimeOS transforms your hardware into a fast Android-powered machine built for both work and play. It's quite easy to get started, so here's what you'll need: a target PC with an Intel or AMD 64-bit CPU, at least 2 GB of RAM, and 20 GB of storage space. We'll also need an 8 GB or larger USB flash drive. Then we'll go grab the software and tools we'll need from the internet. First up, let's go snag a tool to create a bootable PrimeOS installer USB drive. To do this, we'll use Rufus, but you can use any USB flashing software you'd like. Visit the official Rufus website, scroll down, and select the latest Rufus release. You can use the portable version if desired. Again, I'll have a download link in the video description for you. Next, we'll grab the star of the show, the PrimeOS installer file. Head over to the SurgeForce website and download the PrimeOS ISO image for your system. I'll also include a download link in the video description. Next, plug in your USB drive and open Rufus or your preferred flashing tool. Next, select the PrimeOS ISO we downloaded. And then click Start. The process to build your installer USB shouldn't take but a few minutes. After the bootable USB build is finished, plug your USB into your target PC if it's not already, and restart or power on that PC. Now we'll enter your PC's boot menu at startup, usually by pressing the F10, F12, or delete key on your keyboard when your PC first boots. If you're not sure of what your PC's boot menu key is, a quick web search should sort you out. Select your USB drive as the boot device, hit enter, and PrimeOS will now load its installer. Here we want to run an auto install, so select advanced options, and then auto install. Here we'll select our install drive for PrimeOS and hit enter on your keyboard. Be advised that this will erase the drive you selected for PrimeOS. If you're sure, select yes and hit enter on your keyboard. Once the drive is formatted and PrimeOS is installed, select OK and hit enter on your keyboard. After install, you'll be presented with a standard setup process. You'll select a username and your desired time zone. Accept the PrimeOS license terms to proceed. On first boot, you'll be greeted with the PrimeOS welcome screen. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign in with Google, and you're ready. From here, you can install apps from the Play Store, tweak performance settings, or jump straight into games. PrimeOS supports multi-window modes, key mapping for mobile games like PUBG and COD Mobile, and desktop-like productivity with Android apps that you're probably already comfortable with. It's lightweight, smooth, and perfect for giving your old PC a new life. Give it a go, and I think you'll find that it makes a great media center. I hope you've enjoyed this video on transforming your PC into a full Android workstation and gaming hub. If so, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. It really is the best way to support the channel. Otherwise, Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye, everybody.